to go for a ride today. Got to go for a ride, and I'm up here with all the water for the concrete. Much easier way to get it. Frank is up here putting the brick back in, getting this all secure so we can move forward. He's got 2 double batches of hot lime mortar, pretty loose.
Supposed to be for brick.
Yep. And away he goes. So I'm gonna
do it with my hands.
Yep. And I'm gonna clean
like a real mason.
Gonna work on some brick.
Yay.
Yay. How's it going up in there, Frank?
Oh, it's fun doing brickwork inside of buildings. Like inside things. Inside
things.
Yeah.
Like inside
So
there.
I'm putting these bricks in to replace the bricks that had fallen out of there.
Yeah.
Because I've got to put a nailer in here on top of this all the way around here so this can nail to it.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
It doesn't sound very hard to me.
No, not at all. Well, we've done been to Lowe's again. And there's another complete pallet of the concrete. Frank is up there in Bertha. He is making a bigger hole so we can put this pallet through. And there it is. There it is again, right smack in the middle of the hole.
Yeah. I can't wait to unload it. That's my favorite part.
Yeah, I don't know. Bertha was even moaning on this one. That's okay. It's her job.
It's only just over 3,300 pounds. That's only 1.5 tons.
Yeah. Yeah.
Bug.
Frank doing his fun little stuff.
40. 41. $40 more bags of concrete to go. 40 more bags to go. Take one down. Make it over here. 39 bags of concrete to go.
Yeah.
38 bags of concrete to go. 38 bags to go. Take one down. Take it over there. 37 bags of concrete to go.
Yeah, because there's no passing it around.
No.
All right, we got the wood, the rebar, concrete, and 3 more bags of lime all up and offloaded into the attic. So
Yay.
yeah, we have another batch of hot lime mortar ready to go. You can see we've got some bricks going right there, or a string, and so we're gonna put another row of bricks up.
I love you, Lord, and I lift my voice
All right, his batch of hot lime mortar is all gone.
All gone.
All gone. But he got that row of bricks.
Row of bricks.
Row of bricks all done. So it's supposed to start raining, so
Supposed to rain.
we gotta stop.
Gotta stop. Wasted day.
No, it's not a wasted day.
Talk about when you gotta run to Lowe's and gotta wait on Lowe's and gotta wait on the, gotta get rebar and gotta get concrete and gotta get this and gotta get that.
It does put a slight damper on progress,
Get things done.
but it's all needed to be done. So, what we doing up here, Frank?
This is the bottom part of the crown molding.
Mm-hmm.
It needs to be in place before we pour the concrete.
Why?
Because it needs to be.
Oh, it needs the bottom
This
needs.
is, the concrete's going to be on top of that. So
Okay, but that's or is that going to be in the form, or that will be?
I don't know.
We don't know. That right now we're just putting it in place.
Hey, baby.
Hey.
I am, in case you're wondering,
Yes, I am.
I'm bending this. Used to be
A 90-degree
a
angle.
90-degree angle, but because of bricks and stuff falling,
Oops.
it wasn't a 90-degree angle no more.
No.
So I'm gonna put it back to a 90-ish degree angle. This one and that one. Because this, I'm at the point where this goes back up on the house. And I'm finally getting to use my metal
Bending
bending
tools.
tools, the deep reach one.
The deep
I
reach.
bought them a long time ago because I was like, oh, I'm gonna do metal here, metal here, metal here.
Well, just know you'll get to do this a lot on this house.
Yeah. So, if I'll have to bend all this stuff and figure out what all I need to do once I get it up there
All right.
to attach it together. But as far as I think I figure out a way where I can do it, and everything's gonna work out just fine. Just fine.
Just fine.
And once again, even if I don't get it perfect, it's so much better than it was before.
That's exactly right. That's exactly right. And you know what? I honestly don't think Miss Mooreland's going to complain either.
I think she's gonna be excited about getting a new skirt.
Now, what about painting? Are we just holding off on that?
Yeah, we don't know what we're doing yet.
Nope. All right, Bertha's going to do her job and lift all these cinder blocks up there with Frank. So,
Baby,
what?
come on, let's go.
We're going. So,
This fits this corner. This fits this corner there. I guess, can you see? Yeah, there. That fits that corner right there. It fits that corner right here. And if this is the first time I've tried it. This should fit if we got it right. And hey, look.
I see.
I mean, the hole lines up.
That's awesome.
The hole lines up where it was supposed to be, baby. That means we got this wall. I won't say perfect, but we did pretty good.
We did good.
It's gonna be fun trying to get all this stuff together, though. Galvanized metal is not one of those things that is easy to work with.
It's not easy to work with.
So, ugh. And then we get to tackle this stuff.
Oh.
Why are you shaking your head, Gary Lou?
They are our nemesis, box gutters.
I mean, what could be wrong? This has to attach to this somehow.
We have to totally rebuild these.
Yep.
And it's not an option of putting something else in its place.
No. Because it just, there's
nothing out there that...
If somebody has an idea, please.
Please.
I mean, because we don't know. If you want to comment and say what in the world we can do,
So,
but we're not putting store-bought gutters up somehow, because it just, I mean, how in the world would you put store-bought gutters somewhere along here? Talk about looking terrible. I mean, this looked terrible, but
Suggestions? Anybody that has restored anything? Just toying with some ideas. Sometimes we have to put it in place to
figure it out.
figure it out. Get some very, very, very thin.
We're just sticking it.
We're just sticking it down.
Just sticking it.
The idea is to stick the bricks down and then slide that trim out
Back in.
and then back in after we get it ready to go. Spreading a little bit of the mortar in there. Okay, we got the front all tacked in there. Looking good.
I love you more than I can say.
Now we're gonna come over here and do this one.
Do it all over. Except 4.5 blocks instead of 6.
6. What are you doing?
Just gluing these together.
Gluing them together, tacking them down, I guess.
Getting them ready. Put some concrete in the middle of them.
We got that last one all cut, ready to go in its spot.
Then we gotta let it set up so we can use it for forms.
Mm-hmm. That brick just came loose. Yeah.
It was just kind of there.
Get it, that one tacked down, and then we gotta let them set.
Well, we got some cinder blocks in, concrete block. That's gonna be our base for the concrete, our form. And now we've got the bottom of the crown molding going back up. I'll have to put some mortar in there. Looks like that rock was broken a little bit more than I thought once I got a straight edge on it. So there's gonna be lime mortar in that spot once we pull that back off and pour the concrete. But it looks good. It'll look better once we get the rest of the crown molding up. But we're trying to figure out what color to paint it, and we're gonna shoot for this. We haven't decided if it's gonna be this color or that color. We don't know which one's original. So, but the white that they put on that was not original. We're sure it was darker than that. So, it is what it is, and we're getting closer. I think it looks good.